Okay, we're here at 403 Rolling Pines. So this one has a 3-car garage. A 30-year architectural shingle roof with gutters. This one has the no back neighbors. Slight discoloration on this side for the siding, very minor. Formal dining. Let's have the maple cabinets. Not soft closed. Set it for additional table here if you choose. Nice long living room. Gas log fireplace. And these are the pre-finished hardwoods. And this one does have the HDMI cord going through the wall to hook to the TV. This leads out to the garage. And it does have looks like an electric lawnmower here. They are selling their go-kart as well. Golf cart, I should say. Pretty good shape. It was ideal to have the additional third car garage. It does have the smooth ceiling. It is wide for surround sound as well if you have a wired system. Half bath is located here. All the bedrooms are upstairs. Carpet, a little worn as we talked about before. Pull down ladder for the attic access. Linen closets. Very large primary suite. Let's have the garden tub, the separate shower. And this is basically a tile, or just an insert, not a ceramic tile shower. Very large closet. This is where, carpet could be stretched a little bit. Here, spare bedroom. Nice big spare bathroom, ceramic tile, dual vanities. Bedroom number 3, probably the smallest out of them. Maybe about a 10 by 11. A little bit larger. Again, carpet's not horrible, doesn't necessarily need to be changed out right away. Maybe a little bit of stretching. You can tell at the door they did make some patching there. Okay, another linen closet. And then the upstairs laundry, they are leaving the washer and dryer. Nice folding station with cabinets. Look to be in pretty good shape. It does have the washer pan as well. Oh, another linen closet. Or more like a cook closet, I guess. Okay. Check out the backyard. It does have a smaller screen porch, but still enough for a couple of chairs and a table. Irrigation system hookup, HVAC. They did add this for, they probably had a smaller dog. Again, backs up to the woods. That will absolutely remain that way. That'll never be built on. Buried propane tank. It looks like they replaced one hardy board and they couldn't quite match the paint, so a little bit discoloration there, no big deal. Overall exterior looks very good. Nice yard. All right, that's it for Rolling Pines.